This week I have come to the Gold Coast to drive the brand new Kia EV3. This is a fully electric 5-seater small SUV. Let's take a look inside it and see how good it is as a baby drive. The exterior of the Kia EV3 looks great. It's like a miniature EV5 or EV9. I wasn't expecting the rear door handles to be up on the side of the rear windows though. This is a great looking and designed modern and slick car. The side sills on the Air and Earth models have matte plastic and silver colour finish, and the top spec GT line has gloss black and body colour finish side sills. The EV3 Air comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, and the EV3 Earth and GT line both have 19-inch alloy wheels. The boot door of the Kia EV3 opens really nice and easily at the touch of a button with a bit of a beep, and it closes that way too. The boot space is fantastic, especially for a car of this size. I can easily fit this taller spring one-hand fold stroller in the boot, and there's room for your bags or your shopping as well. Now, the boot floor, you can drop it down at least 10-15 centimetres, and also if you lift it up the floor underneath there's a great bit of storage underneath there too. I'm going to be testing this with my full range of taller prams when I test it with my family. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Kia EV3, there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs that are really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now, I'm really surprised I managed to fit 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic news for families that need to. When it comes to legroom, with the rear-facing child seat here, I could sit in front of it and probably up to about a 170 centimetre driver, but nobody taller than that. If you've got forward-facing child seats in the back, then you get about a 186 centimetre driver in front. Size-wise, the exterior of the EV3 is smaller than the BYD Atto 3, but the EV3 has more interior space in the rear shoulders, legroom and boot space than the BYD Atto 3, but less legroom for the front passengers. The interior of the Kia EV3 is spacious and has some great design features. Being fully electric, the rear footwell is completely flat, giving fantastic legroom and kickroom in the back, and making it easier for kids to move around through the rear to access their seats. Rear passengers are kept comfortable with rear aircon vents in the back of the central console box and USB-C sockets in the back too, so they can charge devices while driving. Storage is good throughout the car, and a great feature in the front of the top spec GT line is the central console table. I can imagine it having many uses, like sharing sushi with my daughter on there when we're on a road trip, and using my laptop on there when my little one is asleep in the back and I'm working in the front. The front passengers are kept comfortable in the Earth and GT line models that both come with heated and ventilated front seats. When it comes to safety, the Kia EV3 does not yet have an ANCAP safety rating. It has multiple safety features and technologies, including forward collision avoidance assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane follow assist, highway driving assist, intelligent speed limit assist, rear occupant alert, downhill brake control, hill start assist control, multi-collision braking, blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, driver attention warning, tyre pressure monitoring system, front and rear parking sensors, and rear view camera with dynamic parking guidelines. 7 airbags come as standard, including driver's front airbag, passenger's front airbag, side curtain airbags for first and second row passengers, front centre side airbags, and front seat side airbags. The front dash is dominated by a central 12.3-inch touchscreen media system in the EV3. The media system has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can safely access your phone and apps, etc. while driving. I love the 5-inch climate control screen on the side of the media screen, which makes changing the climate while driving nice and easy. The Kia EV3 has a 12.3-inch driver display screen too, and the top spec GT line has a head-up display projected into the windscreen in front of the driver. There's a wireless phone charging pad in the front, and the cameras in the Kia EV3 are excellent quality with lovely clear and crisp images, making parking and manoeuvring nice and easy. The Kia EV3 is a really nice car to drive. Being fully electric, it's nice and quiet. It's also got that lovely silent start, quiet and smooth for the whole journey, which is great. You've got those lovely benefits of an EV car. So you can sit and listen to music, have the aircon running without chewing through fuel, which is great. Now, visibility is very good in here as well. And I found driving it was just really lovely. And it clung to the road. The corners were really good. It was very confident in the corners, which I wasn't expecting. So it was a nice surprise. Now the battery range, it goes from about 430 kilometres up to one model having a 600 kilometre range. So that's a really good amount for kind of a few days of commuting, school drop-offs, things like that before you need to recharge. The Kia EV3 is available in 3 variants: the base model Air, mid-spec Earth and top-spec GT line. All models are 2-wheel drive and have a lithium-ion battery with 150 kilowatts of power and 283 newton meters of torque. The base model Kia EV3 Air is available with a standard or long-range battery. The standard range battery is able to do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 7.5 seconds and has a battery range of 436 kilometers and is priced at $48,990 drive away. And the EV3 Air with the long range battery is able to do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 7.7 seconds and has a battery range of 604 kilometers and is priced at $56,490 drive away. The mid-spec Kia EV3 Earth has a long-range battery that's able to do 563 kilometres and able to do 0 to 100 kilometres an hour in 7.9 seconds and is priced at $62,690. The top-spec Kia EV3 GT line has a long-range battery that's able to do 563 kilometres and able to do 0 to 100 kilometres an hour in 7.9 seconds and is priced at $68,490. Charging time for the Kia EV3 standard range battery from 10 to 80% is 55 minutes at a 50 kilowatt fast charger. For the long-range batteries, charging from 10 to 80% takes 79 minutes at a 50 kilowatt fast charger. You can get a vehicle-to-load adapter you can plug into the car's charging port on the EV3 and turn it into a power source, which is great for charging laptops, etc. There's also a regular household plug socket in the rear footwell. With ownership of the Kia EV3 comes 7-year warranty and 3, 5 or 7-year prepaid service plan options, priced at $674 for the first 3 years, $1,285 for 5 years and $1,897 for 7 years. I have loved driving the Kia EV3 today. You can fit those 3 child seats really nicely across the back row, and that boot space is fantastic for a car of this size. I look forward to driving it in the coming weeks with my family and testing it with the full taller range of prams in the boot and different child seats in the back.